Hi, this is Lee with Prima Coffee, here to show you the Hario V60 Fretta iced coffee maker. You have the glass server with the measurements here on the side. This is where you're going to hold your ice. So you put the ice in there to about the top, and then you put your lid on. All right, and then you have V60 here. Put that right on top. Then you can take a filter and fold the sides, the edges. Place that right in there. All right, so that is the Fretta setup. Basically, the Fretta, what it does is it takes the whole V60 idea and just better suits it to pour over ice. You'll sometimes see people, you may have tried it at home using a V60 and trying to pour directly over ice, which can turn out really great. The only problem is as your ice starts to melt, the brewed coffee will drip onto some ice, some cold coffee. It'll just kind of be inconsistent throughout the brewing process. What the Fretta seeks to do is to keep all the ice above the rest of the coffee, so every drip is hitting ice first. And also, just bring this back out again, instead of hard drips, it's going to use a dispersion to kind of bring the drips of coffee out and let them fall gently on the ice, and that's kind of a nice feature as well. This is a 600 milliliter brewing device server, so we recommend using about 300 milliliters of ice, and you can weigh that as grams. And then 300 milliliters of water is what you'll actually pour through the coffee grounds. You want to go a little bit finer for iced coffee, just because you're probably going to be pouring a little bit less, and you're pouring less water, and so you're going to want to hold up that water a little bit and extend the process. And then you would just pour as normal. Anywhere from 2.5 to 3 minutes is probably well suited for about 36 grams of coffee. And after you're done, you can remove everything here. So again, that is the Hario V60 Fretta. And thanks for watching.